Hey, this is Ben Hefner over here at Indy E Cigs, the Park 100 location, and I'm here to talk to you guys about the Vaporesso TX80 kit that comes with the Forz tank. Alright, so we're talking about the TX80 mod. I'm going to go ahead and set the tank aside for right now. Just right up here. This mod is IP67 rated, which means that it is shockproof, it is dustproof, and it is waterproof as well. It has Type-C charging, so it'll be able to accept a fast charge even with taking a single 18650 that is sealed off with a waterproof cap. From there, you actually have this simple interface that actually responds very well with the tank as well, and runs up to 80 watts. Now the Forz tank, this is going to be a tank that runs from 40 all the way up to 80 watts with two coil options, a 0.15 ohm and a 0.4 ohm. Each one of those coils is going to be able to press fit into the bottom right here. You'd be able to just pull a coil out and be able to replace it here at the bottom. And it is top fill as well, where the whole entire tank itself is actually surrounded in its own rubber silica integrated with the glass. So you would change out your glass with this cover. From there, it also has an 810 tip for wider airflow and better flavor and more cloud production. It's a twist off top fill. Right now I have the Charlie's Chalk Dust Lemon Meringue in 3 milligram right here. It's a 70-30 ratio, and it's honestly really flavorful in this, running only at 50 watts right now. Plenty of airflow. Plenty of body to the vape, and it is just so flavorful. Hits smooth, hits nice, and one of the best tanks I've had yet. This mod in here has actually been sitting in here for about a week or so, and so far it is actually a functioning mod. I'd be able to pull this right out and be able to stick a battery right in there, dry it all off, and get it ready to vape again. Just like if it were falling into a creek or on a canoeing trip. Alrighty, and that was everything about the TX80 kit. I hope you guys really like it. This has definitely treated me very well, and it'll definitely treat you guys just as well too.